Alright, hello everyone. Today we'll be doing the second test of the Silent Night 5820XL fire alarm system. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the devices I've installed. So, if we go down to the pull stations, on the left I have my Silent Night PSSA pull station, single action, and on the right I have a Notifier and BG12L. So they're both BG12 style pull stations, and obviously the Silent Night one is a single action variant, which is kind of cool. I got the same carbon monoxide detector right down there, nothing changed there. If we go up to the notification appliances, you'll see I have my Wheelock NS-24 MCW on the bottom, and on top we have a Wheelock AS-24 MCW. So yeah, both of those are on 15 Candela, low volume code 3, and they are set on Wheelock sync. So they will be synced together, and they will do 2-wire audible silence from the panel. I actually do really like the way these sound together. I think they harmonize quite nicely, so that's kind of interesting. Anyway, if we move on to the smoke detectors, I have the two Silent Night addressable ones and a ESL 511C. Unfortunately, that ESL detector isn't working properly. I haven't been able to actually mag test it or get it to go off with smoke, so it might be broken, which is unfortunate, so we're not going to mess with it today. But I'll test one of the addressable detectors. So, I'd say with all that said and done, let's pull a pull station. And I'm thinking we'll do the single action one first. So here we go. So you can see both of those strobes are still flashing. And you'll go ahead and activate this smoke detector here. So now let's go ahead and activate the Notifier and BG12L. Alright. So now we're going to focus our attention back on the pull stations here. Gotta find my keys. Well, I found them, but I gotta reset the pull stations. So there's the Notifier pull station, model NBG12L. And once I find the key for the Silent Night pull station, wherever it is on this key ring. There we go. It is kind of hard to find all the keys sometimes. There you go. I think it's interesting, this one actually has a slightly bigger switch on it, which is kind of cool. But yeah. And you may not know this with these, but you actually cannot push these pieces in, as opposed with the dual action ones, which obviously push in quite a bit if you look at them from an angle. Can't do that with these ones. Just thought that was kind of interesting and I'd share it. Gotta learn something every day, you know. Anyway, enough chit chat. Let's have another look at Audible Silence. And we will reset our panel. You can see the detector is still alarmed up there. For a change, let's watch those lights go out on here. And they just did. So, I think that's gonna do it for today. As always, thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in the description. Thank you, and have a great day.